Elon Musk just stood on stage and dropped a line that sent shock waves across the entire automotive world.
We'll be running more affordable models available for everyone in Q4.
It's actually not just a revolution in vehicle design, but a revolution in vehicle manufacturing.
But a revolution in vehicle manufacturing. Right after those words, a leak hit the internet. The 2026 Tesla Model 2 is finally here, and it is not what anyone expected. For months, the biggest question has been tearing through forums and late-night chats. Is this a two-door or a four-door? No one had an answer until now. Tesla unveiled a radical butterfly two-door concept, and suddenly people are asking, will rain pour straight into the cabin? Watch closely. We're breaking down exactly what you are concerned about at this design. And if you want to join, slip that subscribe and bell quietly before anyone else does. 1. How does the butterfly doors redefine practicality in a way that no one saw coming? Tesla isn't the first to use butterfly doors. We've seen them on the McLaren F1 and Mercedes-Benz SLR, but Musk isn't copying supercars. He's making butterfly doors practical for the everyday American driver in ways that will fundamentally change how we think about car accessibility. The space efficiency numbers are staggering and prove this isn't marketing hype. Traditional doors demand 0.5 m side clearance just to open properly. But Tesla's butterfly doors need only 0.3 m, which is a 47% reduction in horizontal space requirements. Picture this. You're in a packed Walmart parking lot on Black Friday. Cars squeezed so tight you can barely slide a shopping cart between them. With traditional doors, you'd be trapped or forced to crawl through your passenger side like some kind of automotive contortionist. The Model 2's butterfly doors open at a precise 73 degrees angle versus the traditional 90 degrees, creating that perfect sweet spot where you can slip in effortlessly without dinging the Suburban next to you. The engineering breakthrough behind this accessibility revolution lies in Tesla's proprietary hinge mechanism. Featuring 12 precision-engineered pivot points that distribute weight 34% more effectively than conventional door systems. This isn't just about looking cool, in which each door functions as a structural wing element, improving overall vehicle rigidity by 12% while delivering a 0.8% drag coefficient reduction when integrated into the body design. These are real-world performance gains that translate directly into better handling and improved range. So let me ask you this before we dive even deeper. If you had the chance to step into your next car through a butterfly door, would you try it, or would you stick with the old swing-out style? Drop the words butterfly door in the comments right now if you want to try it. Now, let's address the elephant in the room that had everyone skeptical. Weather protection. You saw those leaked concept images and thought, great, rain pouring straight into my car interior every time I open a door. No thanks. But Tesla's engineers have been 3 steps ahead of your concerns this entire time. Insider leaks reveal the Model 2's butterfly doors feature a deployable rain-guard system, essentially a retractable canopy that extends during the opening sequence to shield the interior. It's like having an umbrella built directly into your car's architecture. And it's controlled by Tesla's patented micro-arc entry system that uses sensors to measure both weather conditions and available space. The shocking test data proves this weather protection isn't theoretical. Tesla's internal testing involved 1,000 rigorous test cycles simulating real-world conditions. And the results show watering grass reduced by 63% compared to standard sedan doors left open in simulated rainfall at 50 millimeters per hour. The butterfly hinge design requires only 0.22 m of vertical clearance before pivoting, creating just enough space for entry while minimizing interior exposure to the elements. Here's the kicker that shows Tesla's commitment to this technology. Specifically, the door seals feature a double-lip hydrophobic coating borrowed directly from SpaceX's Falcon payload fairings. Who applies aerospace-grade weather sealing to a budget electric vehicle? Only Tesla has the audacity and engineering depth to make that connection. The accessibility transformation these doors create will resonate with every American family dealing with real-world entry challenges. Picture yourself standing in front of this two-door car during a light drizzle. And instead of the awkward dance of positioning yourself while a traditional door swings outward, the Tesla Model 2's butterfly wings create a vertical corridor of opportunity right beside you. These two doors offer a total clearance height of more than 1.8585 m, meaning whether you're 5 feet 3 inches in or 6 feet 3 inches in tall, you barely need to duck your head. The movement becomes natural with a slight shoulder adjustment. Step in and sit down. No more the embarrassing head-boning ritual that plagues traditional two-door vehicles. The sensor system automatically adjusts opening speed based on your reach and height profile, eliminating the need to stretch uncomfortably high or bend awkwardly low. If you ever struggled with an old couple's entry requirements, such as the deep bending, hip twisting, and knee contorting, the Model 2 reduces that physical demand to a simple 10 to 15 degrees forward lean with minimal shoulder rotation. For older Americans dealing with knee problems or back pain, this design represents automotive empathy in action, allowing entry along a nearly natural straight-line path. The emotional impact hits the moment you experience this thoughtful engineering firsthand. Whether you're a 25-year-old with strong knees or a 65-year-old managing joint pain, the design communicates that Tesla considered your specific needs. It's that rare moment when technology makes you smile and think, they actually thought of me. The real-world accessibility data backs up this emotional response as 89% easier entry and exit for elderly and disabled users, 156% improved convenience for parents accessing child car seats, and 67% faster cargo placement efficiency. Unlike the maintenance-heavy butterfly doors found on supercars that cost more to repair than most people's annual salary, Tesla's implementation uses lightweight aluminum construction and simplified hinge mechanisms designed specifically for mass production affordability. While competitors like BYD focus solely on reaching that $10,000 price point, the Model 2 doesn't just compete on cost. It competes on personality and innovation that transforms the entire ownership experience. Imagine pulling up to your local coffee shop tomorrow morning. Those butterfly doors,